The purpose of this video is to prepare you for what you will be doing in class tomorrow. We will be doing a slope activity. There will be two parts. The first part, you will be teaming up with somebody next to you. The second part, you will do by yourself. There is no need to take notes. This is just to help prepare you for what you're going to do in class tomorrow. The first thing everyone's going to do is draw an ordered pair. Okay, so I draw the ordered pair 3, 0. So that's my ordered pair. Okay, and then I'm going to look and see what ordered pair my partner got. And it looks like they have the ordered pair 1, 2. Now that I have an ordered pair, this is my ordered pair, and my partner has this ordered pair, our job is to calculate the slope. We will both do this on our whiteboard apps on Explain Everything. After you're done, then you will compare and make sure that you both got the same answer. So for my slope, for example, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, and that will give me my slope. 2 minus 0 is 2, 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So my slope would be negative 1, because 2 over 2, and this one's negative, would give me a slope of negative 1. The next thing you're going to do with your ordered pair is you are going to put it in the box on your worksheet where it says ordered pair. Remember, mine that I had drawn was the ordered pair 3, 1. So I'm going to write that in my box, 3, 1. And that's my ordered pair. Now my job is to find the slope that is given to me in the box. So if we look right here, this slope is the slope 3. Okay? So this is the slope 3. So I need to use my ordered pair 3, 1 and some other set of ordered pairs to find a slope that equals 3. So how I'm going to do it is I'm going to think of my ordered pair 3, 1 as my first set of pairs. So x sub 1 and y sub 1. And then I'm going to try to find different ways to make the number 3 over 1. So I have x sub 1. So I have my first pair, which is 3, 1. That's what I'm given. And I'm going to call this x sub 1 and y sub 1. Now from here, I'm going to try to find different ways to make the slope 3. So if this is my x sub 1, I know that slope is the change in y over the change in x. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 3 on the bottom because it's x sub 1. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my y on the top. Okay, and now I need to think of how can I make the slope of 3? Now I know the slope of 3 is found by doing 3 over 1. So now I need to think, what pair what number could I put here to make a 1 on the bottom? Well, I have 3, and I know that 4 minus 3 is 1, so I'm going to put a 4 here. Next, I'm going to think about what could I subtract to make a 3 right here, okay? Well, what minus 1 equals 3? Oh, I know, 4. So I'll go ahead and put a 4 here. So if I look at this, if I have the ordered pair 4, 4, and I subtract the ordered pair 3, 1 and found my change in y over my change in x, I am left with this slope of 3, 1. So I know that I did this correctly. Now that I've found my second ordered pair, I'm going to go ahead and put that on my worksheet. I would suggest using Explain Everything as a whiteboard while you try to find the slope and then put the information on your worksheet. So for example, my ordered pairs now that I found, so if I look right here, my ordered pairs, I have the one that I started with, which was 3, 1. Okay, so that's one of my ordered pairs, 3, 1. And then I figured out that the other ordered pair, 4, 4, would give me this slope. So I'm going to go ahead and just go, right? 4, 4. These are my 2 sets of ordered pairs. Okay, now the slope formula, that's simply how I find the slope, which is the change in y over the change in x. So you can see right here, I have 4 minus 1 over 4 minus 3. All right, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now I've done my slope formula, and the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to graph my ordered pairs. Okay, well, my first ordered pair is the point 4, 4. So I'll go ahead and I'm going to put this, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So my first ordered pair will go right here. Next, I'm going to graph my second ordered pair, which is the one I started with, which was 3, 1. So my x is 3, 1, 2, 3, and my y is 1. So I'll put that in. And I can see that this is my slope. Now that I've done this, I am done with my table. And that's what the expectation is that you're going to be doing in each spot on your table.